Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance. Let's take a look on how to return your vehicle back to the stock calibration using an SCT X4. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. With your tuner powered up, choose Program Vehicle from the main menu. Toggle left and choose Return to Stock option. Follow the first prompt the device gives you, which will be to turn the key on. Confirm returning vehicle to stock by selecting Continue. From here, you will follow the device prompts. This process may take a few minutes, and don't be alarmed if you hear chimes from your vehicle during this process. Once the download is complete, the device will let you know and you can select Continue. Your vehicle is now returned to the stock calibration.